the axle set from the bottom bracket. For the tool preparation, electric wrench, bottom bracket socket, reamer, adjustable wrench, Allen key, and crank puller. Unscrew the left crank by using M8 Allen key. Screw in the crank puller and slightly tighten. Screw in the pulling part to disassemble the crank. Unscrew the right crank by using M8 Allen key. Screw in the crank puller and slightly tighten. Screw in the pulling part to disassemble the crank. Use electric wrench with bottom bracket socket to remove the right side bottom bracket. The unscrew will be clockwise. Then remove the left side of the bottom bracket. The unscrew will be anti-clockwise. Please check if the bottom bracket is empty and clear. Try to put the motor into the bottom bracket for a test to see if the motor can be assembled smoothly. If the motor is stuck in the bottom bracket, you can clear the bottom bracket by using reamer. Then the motor can be put in smoothly.